chief guest of today's function, Hannah Kamai, IAS Deputy Commissioner, Thoubal and Organizing Chairman, Sri Sunil Elangam, President PS, DIG Ranks to Thoubal, Dr. M. Vetu Singh, Director, Youth Affairs and Sports, and Joint Secretary, Home, Government of Manipur, Sri Sivananda Survey, IPS, Superintendent of Police, Thoubal, Sri S. Hemant Singh, Commanding Officer, 3rd IRB, Sri L. Marjit Kumar Singh, State Director, Mera Yuva Bharat Manipur, Working Chairman, M. Mani Singh, President, Thoubal District Olympic Association, and M. Madhusudan Singh, Secretary, District Olympic Association, Thoubal. Of Thoubal College, Thoubal. Fourth contingent, basketball men, Thoubal College. Passing the dais, the table tennis contingent, men and women, TTA Indoor Stadium, Thoubal. Much parts the dais, they showcase not just the discipline, but also the readiness to give the very best in the upcoming competition. The present contingent, boxing, men and women, Mahesh Box. And the approaching team on 6, we have football men. Marching in perfect harmony, shoulder to shoulder. And the 19 Kho-Kho men and women. Basket contingent, judo men and women, Thangabok multi-purpose community hall. And the upcoming 8 contingent is Kabaddi men and women of Lilong Horrible. We have Mukna men team of Thoubal Melakau Community Hall. And approaching next is the Beijing Thangabok Multipurpose Community Hall. Following close behind is judo men and women with community hall, Thoubal. And we have the shooting contingent of men and women, Commissioner, Thoubal and Organizing Chairman. Of Ningobum Community Hall, Thoubal. Once the march past team falls into the place, this segment will be the karate contingent, men and Manipur, Sri Sivananda Survey, IPS, Superintendent of Police, Thoubal, Sri S. Hemant Singh, Commanding Officer, Riba, Ahanba, District Olympic Games, in this mga asi, may pa na patupang na ba, damdamas mo po, Riba, Ishwari na Fagda, how measuring, the coach relay by the participating
that we will take part in the 1st District Olympic Games 2025 Tawal District in loyal competition respecting the rules and regulations which govern them and desirous of participating in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our district and glory of sports.
And on band we have Village Defence Force Thawal District team. And the flag being hoisted by our chief guest of today's function.
Hello.
I, Anna Commissioner and the chairperson of the first Olympic Games 2025 Thawal District, take the privilege to declare the first Olympic Games 2025 Thawal open. Thank you. we have seen hardships, we have seen conflicts, we have seen killings, we have seen happiness, we have seen sadness in our life. But amidst all these challenges in our life, I think this is the occasion, this is the platform we come together to show our uniqueness of unity. And I witness stories. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯖꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯒꯁꯨ we can at least come together to show our unity. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ unity ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯎꯠꯆꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ. And this is a very historic event, and I'm so grateful to the people of Thoubal for the cooperation, for your sacrifice, for everything that you have done. You have done your part. Thank you so much once again. And asigi sports person mayam say, this is not only showing your skills and your potentials, but you're showing that we can really do it. Haibado ay haijaninge district asigi my papa hai se noigi khutalaye. I depend on you. Let us not resort to further violence and further killings and further hardships in our life, but let us assure ourselves, let us reaffirm that we will resort to peace, we will resort to love and unity among us. Sports because time is running and everyone is very exciting. Aduna mayam se collectively aikoina asigi first district ki Olympic Games se mai pak na ba hotna rase habido haijage. Aduga this is not just a competition for the medal, but this is the beginning of our progress for the development and for building our future generation. Habido haijage. Thank you so much for all the officers out here, for your contribution, for everything that you have done for this function, for this program, and everyone. Mayambu best wishes adum picturage, and I believe that this will be a successful one. Have the haijaraga asidige loisinjarage. Thank you so much, everyone.
Jawez Khan, Rahmat, MDRS Khan, Taj Ahmed, and Umid Parna. And on Donald Kangabam, Wanglintoi Atom, Ningombam Mahesh, Maimom Daryl Kuman, Ashim Nikash Singh, Asem Prem Kumar Singh, Singam Akash Singh, Anderson Yumnam, Mdir Mashur Alam, Okram Bikas Singh, Kelson Asem, Lamjingba Mutum, Nongthombam Rakesh, Okram Rahul Singh, and Okram Bikshan Singh. The manager Pibam Binoy Singh, Thoubal, Dr. M. Vedo Singh, Director Yas and Joint Secretary Home Government of Manipur, Sri Sivananda Survey, IPS Superintendent of Police Thoubal, Sri S. Hemanta Singh. And the referees are as follows: Elangam Debala Devi, Maibam Rosni Chanu, Laisram Rojit Maitai, Rajkumar Angosana, and Sagosem Robinson Singh. United Tornado Champions Series 2018 Bangkok.